Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I share tips and tricks on natural beauty, health and wellness. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reverse gray hair naturally without using any harsh chemicals or dyes. Gray hair is a common sign of aging, but it can also be caused by stress, genetics, nutritional deficiencies, and other factors. While some people embrace their silver strands, others may want to restore their natural hair color. If you're one of them, you'll be happy to know that some natural remedies can help you achieve that. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of my new videos. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. A recent research study indicates the potential for hair color restoration. During a clinical trial exploring immunotherapy treatment for lung cancer patients using anti-PD-1 and anti-PD-L1 therapy, scientists observed a remarkable phenomenon. Patients undergoing this treatment experienced a prominent change in hair color, transitioning from gray to a dark hue. The surprising results revealed that the therapy stimulated the production of the hair pigment melanin in the hair follicle cells, ultimately restoring the dark hair color. This key lies in understanding how to properly stimulate hair follicles to reproduce melanin. In this video, I, as a professional research scientist, will elaborate on natural remedies that can address this issue. Now, let's get into the remedies. Remedy 1. Amla and Methi seeds. Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, is a rich source of vitamin C and antioxidants that can prevent and reverse premature graying of hair. Methi seeds, also known as fenugreek seeds, are high in protein, iron, and folic acid that can nourish and strengthen your hair follicles. To make this remedy, you'll need 6-7 pieces of amla, 3 tablespoons of an oil of your choice, coconut, olive, almond, etc., 1 tablespoon of methi powder. Here's what you need to do. Cut the amla into small pieces and dry them in the sun for a few days until they become crisp. Add the amla pieces and the oil to a pan and boil for a few minutes. Add the methi powder and stir well. Let the mixture cool down and strain it. Apply the oil generously all over your scalp and hair at night. Massage your scalp for 10 minutes and wrap your hair with a towel or a shower cap. Leave it on overnight and wash it off in the morning with a mild herbal shampoo. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Remedy 2. Blackstrap molasses. Blackstrap molasses is a byproduct of sugarcane juice that is rich in minerals like copper, iron, magnesium, and selenium that can restore the natural pigment of your hair. It also contains antioxidants and vitamins that can improve your hair's health and texture. To make this remedy, you'll need 1 tablespoon of blackstrap molasses. Here's what you need to do. Every other day, eat a tablespoon of blackstrap molasses on an empty stomach in the morning. You can also mix it with some warm water or milk if you find the taste too strong. Continue this for a few months and you'll notice a difference in your hair color and quality. Remedy 3. Ginger and honey. Ginger is a spice that can stimulate blood circulation to your scalp and hair follicles, which can help deliver nutrients and oxygen to your hair. Honey is a natural moisturizer and humectant that can hydrate and condition your hair, as well as lighten it slightly. To make this remedy, you'll need 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of honey. Here's what you need to do. Every day, eat a teaspoon of freshly grated ginger mixed with a tablespoon of honey. You can also add some lemon juice for extra benefits. Do this for at least 6 months and you'll see a gradual change in your hair color. remedy for Catalase enzyme. Catalase is an enzyme that can break down hydrogen peroxide, a compound that accumulates in your hair follicles and bleaches your hair from the inside. By increasing your catalase levels, you can prevent and reverse the graying process. To make this remedy, you'll need foods that are high in catalase such as onions, garlic, potatoes, broccoli, kale, spinach, etc. Here's what you need to do. Include more catalase-rich foods in your diet and eat them raw or lightly cooked to preserve the enzyme activity. Follow this remedy for at least 3 months and you'll notice a difference in your hair color. So, these are some of the natural ways to reverse gray hair. I hope you found this video useful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you at the next one. Bye.